Babyganics Conditioning Fragrance-Free Baby Shampoo by Babyganics is one of the best sellers among baby shampoo products. With 100% natural Nourish seed oil blend to help nurture and support baby skin. Created with the most natural plant-based ingredients. Non-allergenic formula that is naturally gentle on skin and tear-free. No parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, petrolatum, artificial fragrances or dyes. Pediatrician and dermatologist tested. Never tested on animals, even on the smallest of heads. Hair can get crazy in no time. Good thing you've got this 3-in-1 conditioning shampoo and body wash on hand. In one quick step you've washed and tamed your babies, or toddlers, hair and gently cleansed and conditioned their skin with baby-safe ingredients in the manufacturer's Nourish natural seed oil blend. And with all the extra time you save, bath time can be spent on the more important things like splashing, playing with rubber duckies and making bubbly beards.